Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Curly Hacks. So my dear friends, how are you? I hope you are all fine and doing well. In today's, I'm going to show you beautiful and very gorgeous short layers bob pixie hair cutting ideas, very gorgeous and very demanding. Hair dye color ideas, hair styling ideas, top trendy layers, long bob pixie haircuts for all girls and women. I must suggest to you watch this video till the end. You will find all kinds of cutting ideas in our videos. You can get these types of haircut from any salon. I hope you like my videos. I hope you enjoy my videos. All kinds of cutting will make your personality look great. I will try my best to show you all the new cutting ideas videos. My dear friend, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos and you will never miss my videos and any collection of my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends and family members on our social media account. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section to tell me how was my videos. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Videos from my channel can help you. You can get ideas. If you want to get more ideas, so visit my YouTube channel and watch my other videos. We will be right back. Take care of yourself. See you soon with new videos, new trendy videos, new ideas videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.